this week, miracle money enter your hand.
Amen.
Yorùbá lọ wọ́n bọ̀ ní ẹni tí ìṣẹ́ iṣẹ́ kó má ṣe bọ̀ ṣùn.
They will end up the same way Hushpuppi has ended. There's no shortcut. Shortcuts are not short in the long run. God rained manna from heaven, not so. It was a supernatural provision, not so. Was labor involved? Yes, the people had to gather the labor and they had to operate by guiding principles and rules. When they didn't obey, the bread warms, and the stout, the strong among them, were eventually slain while the food was in their mouth. How about the birds of the air, Stephanie? They don't sow, they don't reap, they don't gather into bands. Is labor involved? Yes.
Miracle money appear in your bank account. Let miracle money appear.